This is my boat setup, a 14-foot Starcraft Aluminum. Not a deep V, but that's pretty good. My portable Humminbird fish finder, 175. Water temperature is 77 degrees at 6 feet of water. It's got a marine battery and a Minn Kota 35 trolling motor. Lasts about 4 hours if I use it constantly. I don't have a gas motor, but that's on the wish list. And this is where I'm fishing today, Beaver Lake, Derry, New Hampshire. Today I'm using a red and white Daredevil. Nice Eastern Chain Pickerel. Caught on a red and white Daredevil. Beaver Lake.